Most immediate cabinet meeting, Government of Telangana General Administrative Department. ఇక్కడ యుఓ నోట్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చారు, డేటెడ్ ఇచ్చారు. క్యాబినెట్ మీటింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద కౌన్సిల్ ఆఫ్ మినిస్టర్స్ ఆన్ 21/6/2024 at 4 p.m. at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Telangana State Secretariat, Hyderabad. Intimation: the meeting of the Council of Ministers is postponed to be held on 21/6/2024 at 4 p.m. at Cabinet Meeting Hall, 6th floor, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Telangana State Secretariat, Hyderabad. It is therefore requested to make it convenient to participate in the above said meeting. Shanti Kumare, Chief Secretary to Government. To the Honorable Chief Minister and all other ministers, the Vice Chairman, State Planning Board, copy to Secretariat to Government Law Department, Chief Secretary to Government